If I remove that and I add the line again and put in the GTL training, now you see 18. Let's go with $670. If I go to the view accounting, everything's perfect and inter-unit is gone. That means there is no need for inter-unit because you do see literally the same exact value of the financial dimension for the purchase expenditure for expenses for both lines against the vendor summary account, which happens to be coming from the posting profile. Can I change that? Can I override it? There's a section called line detail. And for this line, I can indeed update the financial dimensions here too. Like for example, put a cost center, put a department, as well as changing the US logistics and go back to the view accounting. And you see this time inter-unit will be appeared. So you learned inter-unit and balancing the financial dimensions in the general ledger. Now you see the effect of it in a subledger as well. Finance is always in place for all the subledgers. Now, having said that, I'd like to take this opportunity and take a look at the total. Can I modify something here? First of all, there is a cash discount of $690.50 for the amount of $13,000. I'd like to go to the header of this document and I'd like to override the payment and add the payment schedule for the 3 payment, even for the terms of payment that I never had before. I go back to the lines and I take a look at the view accounting, and as you see, nothing has changed. It's the exact total value anyways. Is only one invoice, and the invoice number is G4. This time, if I do a post, let's see something interesting is about to happen. The line, it will be disappeared from the pending vendor invoices, and it's completely going to go, and no longer you see it. Instead, they are going to be appeared on the open vendor invoices. But as you notice, instead of one line, I have 3 lines of G4 because I have a payment schedule of having 20% immediately on the due date, 30% a month later, and 50% the 3rd month. Now, it's time to take a look at the trial balance.